So that's all soldered up now. Again, checking over it. Be brutally critical about your work. Be your worst critic, your own worst critic about your stuff. Check it. These calipers are great because they measure to hundredths of a millimetre. So check your... Don't worry about the outside because you can file that, but that inner hole should be quite accurate. Like, if you get into like 2/10 difference, it's going to be really noticeable what you can see. So try and get it to 1/10 at the most, I would. So we'll look at the numbers. So 5.991. Other end. 5.91. 5.88. See, that's pretty accurate. Now remember, I didn't measure that. I just gauged it by eye. I just worked to the stone. Obviously, the stone was cut quite well. I just worked to the stone, marked it with a pen, took my time, checked it, double-checked it, triple-checked it. Now check this out. The back, 3.75. Put that one in the corner, right on the edge. Put that one in, straighten it up and slide it up to the same other one. 3.75, 100% accurate.